Hi guys, let's start today Flink lecture. As part of this Flink lecture, today we are going for some of the transformation operation which applies for dataset as well as data stream API in the Flink. The Flink data stream and data sets API have a few different kind of API, like windowing is applicable for data streaming, but these are the common transformation like filter operation, filter transformation, map transformation, flat map transformation, group by transformation, and some transformation. So let's go through the one example. Let's go through the one example which I have here. So these are the package which we included here for as a part of the Flink data sets API, and we are using for batch operation here. And so this is the things you need to import: Flink datasets, API execution environment, tuples and parameter tools, file system, and Mac function. So as a student from the Spark background, as in a Spark we use the Spark context which used to create a connection, right, in a Spark local mode or in cluster modes. And the Flink we have execution environment. So when we run this in the Eclipse or any ID or in your local mode, so it will take local mode. If you put into cluster, it will create in cluster mode environment. And then this parameter tools, if you go the parameter tools, is have a from argument methods which will take the arguments, the how argument we are passing, and this is password. And then we are setting the configuration to set global parameters if we are passing these parameters. And we are read text file. So it will read text file. What it will do, it read the text file. This is the text file which I have input. I have the name of Snowman's, Joyous, Norman's, and various names. This is the file. And let's go here again. I read this file and this will return as complete. It will read complete files and return as a data sets, which is type is text, name is text, and type is a string. And this text, then we do the filter operation. And basically filter function is an interface which we need to implement. So filter function, we are passing the interface names and creating here, and I'm implementing here filter and passing the string value, and value is start with the n. So the names which start with n, I'm counting only those operations. Then after the filter option, we are doing the map. So what map it will do, each input it will return one output. So filters, each input is taking one line by line. Tokenizer, and tokenizer is an interface again. And public class, final class tokenizers, it's implemented map function implemented. Okay, and it will do the key value. It will return tuple, which value, integer value, key value, and then the name is key and the value is 1. So each value I'm assigning 1, and then it would come here. Okay, tokenize group by based on the value 1 name and doing the sum of the second. So and then I'm writing the output parameters and now writing. So let's run this program. Okay, so this program is already successfully ran. Let's see the results, and my output directory is here. And if you see here, no false, all the names start with n, and this the count is here. Thank you.